For this wreath, you'll need a wire wreath form. Mine is 12 inches. It looks like this. Yellow raked liquid dye, brown acrylic paint, some clothespins, and a bow to decorate your wreath. You'll also need a bowl that you can get dirty because you're going to be putting some water in there and the dye. First step is to put the clothespins into the bowl. You're going to fill the bowl with water enough to cover the clothespins. Now you're going to put in your liquid dye. You're going to put in 2 capfuls. Now you just make sure that the dye is spread around. I have drained the water from the clothespins. Now I have just laid them on the cookie sheet with a paper towel underneath to absorb any water that's left over. And we'll let this dry. I will probably sit them outside just for an hour or so until they are dry. And once they are dried, you can start the wreath. You're going to place it on the back end on that last little groove. You just go around. Now we're just going to put something for you to hang the wreath. Okay, now we're just going to paint with this brown acrylic paint to make it look like the inside of the sunflower. is dried, we're going to place this bow right here. I'm just going to remove this and just there you have it. I'm going to show you that as well. This is the final product. Super cute, very easy to do, and very inexpensive. If you enjoyed it, please like and share the video, and think about subscribing. Thank you.